Most important question of probability. Let us see the question. In a relay race there are 5 teams A, B, C, D. What is the probability that A, B and C finish first, second and third respectively? So we know probability of any event equal to what? Favorable outcome by total. So favorable is what? A come first, B come second and C come third. So this type of arrangement will be what? Only one. So A, B, C, D fixed. So this type of arrangement is what? Only one. So favorable outcome is 1. Now total outcome is how much? There are 5 teams and we need first, second, third position. So first position can be 5, second 4 and this 3. So 5 4 is 20, 3 is 60. So our correct answer is what? 1 by 60. See the question. In a relay race 3, there are 5 teams A, B, C, D, E. What is the probability that A, B, C are first 3 to finish in any order? Assume that all finishing order are equally likely. So for this type of question, probability of any event equal to favorable outcome. Favorable is what? A, B, C will be for first 3. So there are 3 teams for first 3. So only favorable outcome is 3 factorial. So 3 into 2, 6. And total outcome is what? There are 5 teams and we need only 3 teams at a time. So 5p3. So 5p3 is what? 5 factorial, 4 factorial and 3. So 5 4 is 20, 3 is 60. So 6 by 60 is what? 1 by 10. So 1 by 10 is right answer. Let's see the question. A box contains 10 red marbles, 20 blue balls and 30 green balls are drawn from the box. What is the probability that all ball will be blue? So for this type of question, probability of any event is what? Favorable outcome by total. So here favorable is what? We are drawing 5 balls and all balls will be what? Blue. So there is a 20 blue ball total. So 20C5 is the favorable and total ball is how much? 10 plus 20, 30, 30, 60. So total outcome will be 60C5. So this is the correct answer. See the question. A box contains 10 red balls, 20 blue balls and 30 green balls. 5 balls are drawn from the box. What is the probability that at least one will be the green? So for this type of question, simple technique is what? Probability of any event. Favorable outcome by total. So what is the favorable? That at least one will be the green ball. So when there is a at least, we know the technique what? 1 minus. Total green ball is 30. We are drawing 5 balls. So 30C5. And total number ball is 60. So this is 60C5. So this is the correct answer. 1 minus 30C5 divided by 60C5. Let's see the question. 4 cards are drawn from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. What is the probability of obtaining 3 diamonds and 1 spade? So we know probability of any event is what? Favorable outcome by total. So what is favorable? Obtaining 3 diamonds and 1 spade. So you know in diamond there is a total 13 cards and a spade there is a 13 card. And we need 3 diamonds and 1 spade. So this is 13C3 multiply 13C1 and total card is 52 and we need 4. So 52C4. This is the correct answer. Let us see the question. A die has 2 faces, each with number 1, 3 faces each with number 2 and 1 face with number 3. If die is rolled once, determine the probability of 2. So you know probability of any event equal to what? Favorable outcome by total. Here favorable is what? Number 2. So you know 3 faces each with number 2. So 3 faces have number 2. So favorable outcome is 3 face and total face is how much? 6. So 3 by 6, that is 1 by 2 is the correct answer. Let us see the question. A die has 2 faces each with number 1 and 3 faces each with number 2 and 1 face with number 3. If die is rolled once, determine probability of 1 or 3. So probability of 1 or 3, favorable outcome by total. Favorable is 1 or 3, so that is 2 face have number 1 and that is 1 face number 3. So 2 plus 1, 3. So favorable is 3 and total is 6. So our answer is 3 by 6 or 1 by 2, correct answer. See the question. A die has 2 faces, each with number 1, 3 face each with number 2 and 1 face with number 3. If die is rolled once, determine the probability of not 3. So we know probability of not 3 equal to what? Favorable outcome by total. So what is favorable outcome? That number not 3. So how many number? So if number 1, it is okay. So 2 face 1. If number 2, there are 3 face, it is okay. Only 1 face with number 3 is not okay. So 5 face is the favorable. So favorable outcome is 5 and total is 6. So our correct answer is what? 5 by 6.